Hi guys, you're welcome once again to iTech and thank you for choosing this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you this app and a certain app that will help you get some money online. But note, this app will not give you much money and it is quite tedious. It needs a lot of time. You need to perform some tasks there before you'll be able to get some monies, but it will make you rich. Okay, it will make you, but at least you will be getting some little amount of money from it. You'll be getting some passive income from it. So if you are doing nothing, you can just take your phone, then you just do some of the activities there, and then you'll be able to get some amount from it. So without wasting much of your time, let's start. Alright guys, this is the app that I'm talking about. Okay, so the name of the app is Watch and Earn. Okay, so this is the interface. I have performed some tasks. So before you start, you just have to look at their instruction. Okay, so it says watch video. So we watch unlimited videos every day to keep earning coins. Okay, so these are all the instruction. When you go forward, you see spin to win. Okay, daily check-in, and then redeem. It says where you can, when you meet the threshold, you can redeem your coin and change it to us dollars, and then you'll be receiving your money. So this is the instruction there. Then so this place was where you perform the task, how they have divided the task into. So they have daily check-ins. Okay, so 400 coins. So daily check-in, every day you check in and you'll be given 400 coins. So it's from Monday, as you can see, from Monday to Sunday. So today I have done my task. Today is Saturday, so I have my 400 coins there. So every day you just have to come to this part of the app and you'll be claiming your 400 coins. Okay, then we have watch video. Okay, so here if you watch each video that you watch, you will be given 500. So it's just an ad. You will be watching the video and you will be given some coins too. All right, so here is also spin. Okay, yes, watch and earn. So here you just have to play, you hit on that. Okay,
order a taxi via Yango and get an
okay, so when you click on that spin and that, and then you see, as you can see, 20 coin and here. So there are a whole lot of things that you can do. Okay, small ads here, you can also come here and watch some ads, and they also give you 20 coins. Okay, all right, so let me take you to the redeem part of the app. So here you go to redeem. Okay, so here it says how many coins you have to turn into money. So a result now I have it is 0.0 USD. Okay, so you need about 500,000 coins. Okay, so that's why I indicated that this is a tedious, it's very difficult to do it. So if you have time, if you are there doing nothing, you can use this to entertain yourself, and gradually you will be getting some coins from it. But before you start, you just have to go to their site and read something, make your own checks before you start performing any task through this app. Guys, this is how you can get some passive income from this app. See you in the next video. Bye bye.